Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Driese. So I know it's been a little long time coming. I know some of you have been waiting for this video of my little sister Tamara to do my makeup. We have just been busy. She has her own schedule at school and a social life on the weekends, and lately I've been working on weekends. So finally today we were able to get together and record this video. So we hope that you guys enjoy it, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, I'm nervous as heck, but let's get started. You didn't prime my eyes or anything. I mean, but again, this is your thing. You talking about you got, okay.
Just relax.
I'm relaxing, alright. By the way, I have on no foundation, but she gonna contour my face with powder, but okay. I'm ready. And go.
You need foundation?
And the eyelash fell off.
I call it grizzly bear because
I'm gonna be scaring people away with this makeup look.
no, because it's brown. It's a brown eyeshadow with a glittery tone, and with the little eyelashes, make her look beautiful.
She bad.
Period. Comment more videos down below in the comments and you will get that. You never know, I might be able to do this all again. You say that now, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
I don't know.
You look beautiful now. Your eyelashes popping out.
I can't even bat them like I want to.
Cause you do that and it's trying to fall off again. Okay, so we would do a Q&A in the future, and you'll just see
a Q&A about what?
About our lives.
What about our lives?
I don't know.
Ain't nobody that interested in what's going on with our lives. I mean,
they might be.
I guess.
Shout out to Thompson's in Mississippi and in Indianapolis.
Hey,
we love y'all.
Thompsons.
Okay, so that's the end of our video.
Peace.
Brush your teeth, eat broccoli, and all the other good stuff.
Bye.